Welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Ayurvedic and pharmaceutical recommendation system using machine learning. So user have to first sign in with the username and password, then it will open the web page. So user have to click on the classification button, then user have to enter the symptoms and it will get the Ayurvedic medicine from symptoms. So I'm just entering the headache, sneezing and cold and click on the predict button. Then it will predict the symptoms and also predict the disease, and it will suggest the Ayurvedic remedies like tulsi, tea and tulsi leaves. It will show the dosage and time to recover. Just click on the back button and again enter the symptoms like fever, headache and cough. Then click on the predict button and it will predict the disease and it will suggest the Ayurvedic remedies like giloy stems. Okay, just click on the back button. Now enter the symptoms and it will predict from disease. Just click on the predict and it will suggest the medicine and it will show the dosage and time to recover. Just click on back button and again have to enter the symptoms or disease. Then it will predict from disease, fever, cough, cold and headache, and click on the predict button. So it will suggest the medicine. So this is the complete project. If you are searching any type of project, then you can contact us. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.